So what's up guys, welcome to this tutorial, and in this class we will see how to make use of Tailwind with Cordova. So these are those commands which we will be using to create our app. So what I'll do is I will copy this and I will paste them down below, and I will modify this now. Okay, so I want my give the name of my directory as Tailwind app. Okay, so this is the app what will be created on the desktop. uh, I will say Cordova Tailwind app, and this is my reverse domain naming process, and I will give the name as Tailwind over here, and this will be name of my app. Okay, so I want to give the name to my app as Tailwind. Okay, or you can even give your name, whatever name that you want to give. Whatever name that you want to give to your app, you should be specifying that over here at the end. So first of all, I'll go to the command prompt, and after going to the command prompt, I will copy this first command, and I will execute that first command. Okay, so after that, once executing the cd desktop, now I have moved my terminal to the users Diksha Maker to the desktop. Now I will execute this next command. I will copy this, I'll come over here and paste it, and on the desktop now there will be this Tailwind app directory will be created, and this is my reverse domain naming process, and this is the name of my app. Okay, so if suppose you are creating app which is showing you the wallpapers, then name of your app should be wallpaper over here. Okay, if you are creating a shooting game, then name of your app should be shooting over here. Okay, so this is how naming goes on. Okay, so now it is throwing one error which says Cordova does not know the Tailwind app, try Cordova help. Okay, so I'm getting one error over here. Oops, I have forgot to use this keyword create. It should be Cordova create, and after that name of the directory, and little bit of space, then this is the reverse domain naming process, then little bit of space, and name of your app. Okay, so now I will copy this, and now let me just execute. Okay, it should be Cordova create, name of the directory, reverse domain naming process, and then the name of your app. So now as can be seen, it is saying creating a new Cordova project. Let's just wait for this command to get executed. So now that command have been executed, now if I'm just minimizing everything on the desktop, I'm having this folder which is a Tailwind app. Now what I'll do is I will open this with my Visual Studio Code. I will open my Visual Studio Code, and I will open this folder. Okay, so now I'll say file, open folder, and that folder is on the desktop, so I'll go to the desktop, and this is that folder which is a Tailwind app. Okay, so now you just have to go to the www, then you have to go to the index.html. So as can be seen, there are these already few folders already present, and there is some pre-written code. This green color code that you see, this is the commented code which is actually not required, and you can remove it. You can remove this also. Okay, and just save this code, and now what you have to do is just go to that folder, go to this folder, then go to the www, then double click on index.html, and this is a kind of a output that you will get. Okay, so now you have to integrate your app with the with Tailwind. Okay, so say Tailwind CSS, and after that you have to come to this tailwindcss.com website, click on get started. just scroll down, and this option that you see using the Tailwind via CDN is basically at the end of the page. You will get this link. Okay, so you just have to copy this entire link and paste that link inside of your head. Okay, so this is the closing head tag. You just have to paste it over here, and you just have to save this. And if I'm going to my executed page, this was the output what I was getting. Okay, so we'll close all the tabs, and this was the output what I was getting. Currently I'm getting this icon and this Cordova, Apache Cordova text, and this connecting to the device option. This is basically all because of this division. Okay, so you just have to remove this division, that's it. And what you have to do is you just have to put one comment over here just for your understanding. And this is end of body. Okay, so what you do is whenever you are putting code inside of the body tag, you don't have to cross this green color bar. Okay, so this is the these are the script files which are actually required and very important, and you cannot write your body code that you write inside of the body tag beyond this green line. So just maintain this parameter. Whatever code that you want to write, you just have to write that code inside of this two lines. Okay, so this is the end of the body, and I will say this is start of body. Okay, and whatever code that you want to write it inside of this two green lines. So now I will come to my web browser, and I will say tail blocks. Click on this first step, and now we will be making use of the tail blocks inside of our app. So just scroll down and search for header. Okay, so let me just choose very nice header. I think this header looks better, so I will say view code, copy to the clipboard. I'll come over here and I'll paste it over here. Okay, I'll paste that code. So basically this is my header part. I will save this, and now if I'm just coming over here and refreshing my page. Okay, I'm getting this error. I don't know for what reason. I have linked my file over here, but still I'm getting error. Okay, so we are getting this ugly output. We are actually not getting the proper output, and I think that is because of this first line, which is security policies. So what I'll do is I will remove this first line, which is actually not required by us, completely useless thing. And now if I'm just coming over here and refreshing my page, and now I'm getting this output. Okay, so I'm getting this tail blocks as a header, then getting one icon, then first link, second link, third link, fourth link, and this is a button. Okay, so we are actually getting a proper output. Okay, so now if suppose you want to add a few more elements, then you can do that also. So now if suppose I want to add this section, then I will say view code, I will say copy to the clipboard. I'll come over here and I will put one more tag. I will say this is a second section, and I will again close this. This is end of second section, and inside of this I will paste that code, and I'll come over here and I will refresh this page. Okay, so now as can be seen, I'm getting this output. Okay, so now if I'm just minimizing this is how things will be seen on your cell phone. Now if suppose you don't want these links and these buttons, then what you can do is just come over here, and this is that navbar which is showing those links. Just remove that, and there is this button. You have to remove this button also. Okay, and just save this, come over here and refresh this page, and now the button is also gone and those links are also gone. Okay, and currently as can be seen, our page looks little bit dirty, and it is grayish in color. So now if I want to change my color of my page, Then I will come to this head tag. Just beneath the head tag I will create this style tag, and inside of the style tag I will define my body, name of my body element, and I will give the property as a background color. And you can give whatever color you want. I will give this antique white, which is basically kind of white color. And I'll come over here and I will refresh this page. Okay, so now I'm getting that particular color as a background. And yeah, this is our basic app, which looks little bit not so good, but we will see in the future how to make changes, and how to make these things looks better. Okay, so basically this was all about how to integrate your Tailwind with your Cordova app. Thanks guys for watching.